Say yeah, build your mind, and that's why I am a Yama President Mahama, because it appears President Mahama surrounding home with some people.
It was a mama in Aquaba, Eba, Ghana, GH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe with the notification, so that anytime videos of this nature, upload it, Usamekabi, I'm also share. Now let's go into the story. They say, Nkrofoa or my company, ama, sa NDC, aban where I incompetent abaya, abaya omu husu, abaya ayenti ubia, abaya political opponents nkwa na yebechi sa aban no nkofo ma campaign ama omu na mbabo tibe kasa sese evidence say nkrofo bia na enam otan a omu filima na akufo ado nti ade biara akufo ado ye bia no omu de omu hu papa no da boni a wo mu nkwa na ombeka no emide say enne omu ena eba abon tibe kasa obi ti say Afia Pokua vim lady wo ebra akufo ado wo ho no bebia na wo ye djuma despite media ho no wo papa ejako abunai and the rest muna na mu lead chorus no eletia akufo ado the free high school by akufo ado a otimi clear backlog of nurses na more system nemo nya djuma bia nye and all the others no wo vim lady and then Nkrofoa can say despite media hono na bashi akufo bashi MPP why mo hu say muna we decide ni power be an party abeba power yes sir na me king makers no problem after mu di mo amo ma brantie mo amo kristoni ajo Mahama amo sinya coupon edi ngosana go so say onu no so be o mampeni no after waba after mutim after vi me di uka je Mahama say ne Nkrofoa wa appoint your person disgrace no debut Nkrofoa wa appoint your no John Mahama kasa person disgrace no yeah his excellent John Mahama onu kasa person ade as nyama bebre ko so no o person che say Mahama ni mu bibia na ade yen kolasa o debi yen kolasa yen nimpa say nyama ye ko so Mahama ni mu obi antemi sorry commanding national security say munko am go chinipa we munko without the blessing of the president. No, if you are suggesting that what you are saying is say the president must be careful. If people are able to control national security without the president's knowledge, people are able to control the security services, police for military for say munko chinipa we na omampeni ni mushia. And we are living in a very dangerous time. Oman penino ono ye boss no. And the power bia obi exhibit bia no is derived from Oman penino. Yeah, don't let anybody deceive you say mama ni movie. On him. Because every single day His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or receiving national security briefings every single day is updated. They catch and say, oh, these are the threats to Ghana. Oh, say nipa we say waka say yakwa kochina na say yanchino say all these briefings no or receive. And the man bia nka say Mahama nim on him hu bibi on him pa on him. Ebusian for still na ye twa studio contributions no so and donations no so. For some time now donation bia nyamba we are still around 12,000 Ghana cedis, 13,000 more to go. By GDC mbeboye ama drew a year 25,000 so that we can bring this beautiful vision to pass.
Be quite frankly.
Where did you attempt to divert it? Ni akochi abronya so they divert it so that news portals ni nyina will now be talking. Oh, abronya ya channel. Oh, now where did you attempt? Oh, I reply Captain Smart. Oh, I say, why you Haja Fati? Everybody bloggers now will be talking about that diversionary tactics. Diversionary tactics. So yeah, build your mind, and that's why I am a Yama President Mahama, because it appears President Mahama surrounding home with some people who just wants to disgrace and embarrass him. President Mahama surrounding the whole with some people one person will disgracing and no more embarrassing because else I don't understand this. Abronye de ya makwa kwachine mo nkasa politicians mo ya aware say the political playbook ni ye one. What you political opponent chances are that to be jail no. Yet ya opinion say because he's saying everything has gone to push the agenda say more persecute Abronye. Because really, Abrantie we are akofa Haja Fatia Besna odi atem. Abrantie we are body President Kufu atem. Only the military tabis on my young for the things they said about a year first President Kufu were riska. Any publication of false news. It's a head and more attorney general and police. Mui Jai Obia for 8 years. He has consistently published false news. Me I'm publishing false news about me. And then they say, and then I say, and then I say, Nina false news. Or tell no, they call I see the boss of false news. And then they call false news. It's a head and a wee sound wow apparachikis, no. One casa your lieutenant, your agents are consistently with military tabis or didn't confront them publishing false news. Consistently, the false news they are using the false news to also bully people. What Jomo and you are going after Abronye. People want him to Abronye to be funny too. Yen you know Abronye case, I bet to say Opuni case. In the end, Abronye will come out more popular. I don't even support Abronye insults because I have sat here and said it. And I'm kokamunya bedi matemno. I said Abronye should maybe I told Baomi, I said, look, Abronye is your agent. He's somebody who is seen on your platform. And to Obia him say wakola no friend Natiano. Said it. But it doesn't change the fact that you cannot pick and choose which cases you are prosecuting. And this is why I'm a boss. Something like that was very apt. So we are weaponizing the law. Weaponization of the law against political opponents. Weaponizing the law. Because any weaponization, and then I would nipa de or publish false news. Who nipa de or did attempt, who nipa abuse obi, who nipa su obi without evidence. The person cannot prove it by today. Now President Kufu only evidence. What's the President Kufu years can see and I call the evidence about we are 1,000, we are 2,000, we are away, and this matter is a matter that went to court and it is gone through due process and the person was convicted of stealing. Who did it? It's the obey and President Kufu and you're not in court for no coins, adrenaline coins, low IQ, coins brains. Adrenaline the only defense will be defending the insult because you are telling that commercially and this food soldiers. Hey, you need to know more can asem no. To the point that these food soldiers, if you can open hono, coins thinking, but light a gua. You imagine any your coins. Like I'll be him say TV studio beer, your lights bed your and depending on even the tone of the light, you know, you can change it to just say adrenaline form. Yen yo bia wan me am say utumi nyame wo scandal bia meka and I say and me ko wi obi sika me one city no so many eti do be an say be ye no and na we and na obi
Ghana for me church mamwachi mi mamwa me mamwajo obabi amu obi a me da so esinipi anase me bohun dawru se mo emebunu no amu mo abano mon try say mo adwene be ye adwuma mo ma obi a me dada mo na mo hunu sunsun a eda Mahama mamu ne MPP na nado no mo amamu ho na mo hunu se mo na ese mo take mo decision ma wo se Mahama o ina gwen se o man wo se no na se ya wo se no so mo mebru no na ekutiam because mo nananom ene mo ankasa abai bai wonya nhye bia akese ode eboa omamu ni nyina na se me magwene me da mo agwene akọ sa Accra regional the minister no se wono na ye campaign se akwaba no a ebo or the same Kotoka me dem be kan se Kotoka International Airport no because minim nyansa wana ye campaign se sa akwaba yen pipa imfiri ho na NDC for the da bia mo ba mo pese nka bo mo ba amani a akon wo so nyina no there's no civilization bibia enkoso Ghana nyame adom ye wasundwe asuso mo NDC for mo ba na mo ba ye ne nyina basa sa at the same edrin akwaba no a wo regional minister wo se ye mpepa no ene kura nso so mo prepare fi ho ya ka se ne ye mo ade kura mo pese mo twiro no mo ntwiro na mo ntimi hunu se Gana ya nyenka bomu na tribes ni na nyenka bomu a o ma no enkoso obi ene ho ko beto bia maso na wo se mo nkrafo no se nka eba se Asante International Airport no a ewo wo de sen Kumasi no senka nyese mo andisifo na adwemboni wo mutirimu ena se mo pese mo operate no se local airport enka nkrafo de do se no mo wo abrochi memu a wo mo befa plane abesi kotoga no ko bia bebe Kumasi because population no a Asante kura no e surpass every tribe na no na mo pese mo gidie na wo regional minister no enkran regional minister bunema wo nyina ye kankan wo se enkrofo bi a omo adi nsemoni anase wo mafom no mode wo call north say wo enko as a punishment like that north for no wo nyani ba wo call as punishment north woman as a man or the same not or as punishment. Unim difference between has and HAV. Ubrofa wokano. We see some of them has. When the answer can say some of them have plural participle. Woman as ya do na uko serve as a punishment. Sabro of Kankano, we can have now Kano. We be aware regional minister. We can some now do a day at the same as a papa and as encouragement yabano. We say we transfer nipebi ako na as punishment. Minim say, Omo amudu nko nyina mo suspect say omo ye NPP for and mo transfer omo do mako. Na de mo ye nyina no bibia wona se. Hitler na wiye ye bai ati modni samne awudi sam oyeri nyina no chi no na wiye ya anyefe obi ehunu ba bia nifunu etoye se yekosie no so no ane kum no ho obi ehunu Hitler otofom entimo andis fo nyina no mo hunu se mo betofom tamwana na do de sa yi levi baye mu yede de sa ile bi no so na nado no mo de baye no de san agi hu sika no yede ye nepa o mu de nema bia mo pese de san ade pepe bia ye no pese mo se no na nado di train e baye na mo pa di truck akosi kwana no se enkunkum ni pa na ense de san train no na mi hunu sa case no ne ekosi ye na nado no mo aye wo san adoya mamo sa yi lebi no na nado no mo ye no no ne mo de eye emuade a Bank of Ghana mo aboka no na se sa sika no ni ho a nka mo baaye no se na mabasi ebu de san o ma no se mo stabilize wo de san economy no a mo de agigi de san seed no etata no amamwo papa na nado no mubu ya mo ba ya mo mpese etodwa no na mo de kankan no e na mo pese etodwa no Ghana nyi nyina na agimi o na sebi ukra bobo ya na wo de ba wo se yemo nsema na wo bia ono wakura ambulance papa wo de mo a ansa na obedu hospital kwa ma wo se first aid no mo se no nye Mahama me de minim ne se esese wo ye de ko isa cartis na ye ko hwe wadwene mu wo no NDC fo nyina wo mo parliament no wo mo nyina se ye ko hwe o madwene mu o de san majority fo no denti na mo makwan se ye nko sisi san markets the whole regions the whole country every region say wo ko sisi de san 24-hour economy market nyasa wom wamra sikofo wo siku mo aduane ne akwan papa na na no mi ye na semba to aso no mo ntimi to aso agende 111 no amoja me na ka wori sen ewure mu no sika se mo de ye no na mo de koto adesan abobo ya se ambulance na Ghana for adesan anisi for mo ye ni ba mo asan krante ye do abrofu a na mo abesim no mo twere nyina agu mo asan kwafia nkontro mfi ye do afuo no a na abesim no mo twere nyina agu na mo ba mo ho sabrane mo ekwanfo a mo yiye mo de abatoto wor se internet se na ade wo ya ade wor se Mahama kwasia no wo ya ade Ghana ni wo mo ya se mo fanse Ghana ayemo dia no wa hunu kuro no ade bia mo bo gold no amo na ade no mo apa egu ho mo ba mo de kakra bi bata ho no hwedudu a mo ton ama wor se Ibrahim Mahama no no asan aton ama odisan Ghana abodine na asem we aba ya dwindwine ho no na mbombo pasma odisan Kevin Taylor o meri di president Kufu atem se na be ya attention na be ko ho na mo kro no amo abo no Bank of Ghana no esu nkata Ghana for mo nim se enchere bia mo diska koto bank ya na mo ko yi a mo be ko siskan ho ti sane o ba kane no o me ye kane o mo ye no enti Ghana for mebunu mo hwe yie na mo hwe se ne ekos wo South Africa no Mahama mambusa na opese o de ba Ghana mebunu na mo asode na mo ti expect say oni ne talks no a eye o de say NDC supporters na nyansan bi eni o mutirimo no na yehunu NPP ni bia na ye be pra no South Africa the ekos no South Africa for the foreigners na mamwa ma ebo no we de enyimu anase nchimu aba no in the near future sana ekoba NDC nkwasafo no a won de otu wo mpo ba bi entie no wona ho ane de wodi san abai ebebo tirimakun enti Accra regional minister kone kosua senia esi eyusu HAS auxiliary verb any HAVE any HAS when to use each of them and I say when to use them na obrofo no kra no ama wona say akire say wona say ye do call north na uko serve punishment ho na nya innocent people na mo de moni amode si MPP for ne adesan akanfo so no monkoso na mnipa beba ama wo no so Obekan perform it here say some of them has when you Accra regional minister